Title: The Burping Ghost of Bedroom 3. Be in the quiet town of Pickle Pop, inside a big blue house on Bumblebee Street, lived a ghost named Gary, who had one very silly secret. He couldn't say boo, he couldn't rattle chains. Instead of spooking people, Gary just burped, again and again. Bop, went Gary at breakfast. Beep bop burp. At lunch, even at night when the moon was out, he let out a giggly belly bounce. The kids in the house, Max and Molly, didn't mind Gary one bit. They gave him soda and jellybeans, and he burped in burpy fits. But one day the grumpy hall monitor ghost came floating in with a frown. "Gary, ghosts don't burp," he grumbled. "You must whoo or get out of town." Poor Gary looked down sadly. He tried to woo like the rest, but every time he opened his mouth, a banana burp burst from his chest. Max and Molly had a plan. They made a BURP-A-THON parade. All the ghosts from all around came to see the show they made. Gary wore a crown of popcorn. He burped the ABCs. The grumpy ghost tried not to smile, but then he burped out a sneeze. A chew burp. He giggled softly and floated up with cheer. Okay, burping is allowed, but only once a year. The end. Or is it the burp?